Hello everybody and welcome back. Thank you for joining me. We're going to be starting part C of our 2016 grade 11 Fermat paper. So part C, these questions are now worth 8 marks. This should be a little bit harder. So question 21 is what we're going to be handling in this video, the first of our last 5 questions. And what have we got? Box 1 contains 1 gold marble and 1 black marble. Box 2 contains 1 gold marble and 2 black marbles. Box 3 contains 1 gold and 3 black. Whenever a marble is randomly chosen from the boxes, each marble in that box is equally likely to be chosen. So it's not like the gold marbles are bigger than the black marbles or anything like that, where they'd be easier to grab. A marble is randomly chosen from box 1 and placed in box 2. So if I choose the gold, then box 2 would have 2 gold and 2 black. Then a marble is randomly chosen from box 2 and placed in box 3. Finally, a marble is randomly chosen from box 3. What is the probability that the marble chosen from box 3 is gold? Okay. And we have various fractions as our answers. So this process is sort of described one step after another. What I'm going to use is a tree diagram to help lay out the varying probabilities, because obviously if I choose a gold from box 1, that's going to alter the probabilities in box 2 when I pick that second marble to place it in box 3. So, I'm going to start over here with a nice little root, and then either I choose a black or a gold in box 1. And the probability of me choosing black or gold is 1/2, because there's 1 black or 1 gold. Now, if I choose a black one, that gets moved to box 2. Now box 2 has 3 black and 1 gold. But again, I reach in, I could either pick out a black or gold. But 1/4 of them are gold, and 3/4, 3 out of the 4 are black. And that's box 2. And then we're going to pick out for box 3. Okay. And at the end, so I'll just fill in the rest of the tree while I talk. At the end, we want, what was it, a gold one or a black one? Probability from box 3 is gold. At the end, to figure out the total probability, all we care about are the branches that end with us picking a gold marble from box 3. And we're going to multiply along the branches that lead us to those G's. And those will give us the probabilities, and then we add them all up. And that's how a probability tree works. Okay, so if I pick a black one from... Oh, actually, interestingly, no matter whether or not I pick a black one from box 2, I'm going to get the same probabilities. That's kind of cool. Actually, let's fill out these ones down here. So if I pick a gold, now box 2 has 2 golds and 2 blacks, and so the probability of getting a black or a gold is 1/2. Okay. Now, if I pick a black one from box 2 and move that into box 3 now has 1 gold and 4 blacks. And so the probability of me getting a black is 4 out of 5. And that happens regardless of what happened with box 1 or box 2. And only 1 out of those 5 marbles is gold. Okay. Now, if I pick a gold one and add that to box 3, now box 3 has... 2 gold and 3 black. So 2 out of the 5 marbles are gold. 3 out of the 5 are black. But again, it doesn't matter which scenario we're in. It's still 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5. Okay. Now, honestly, we don't actually care about these ones that end with black. We just care about these ones that end with gold. 1/2 times 3/4 times 1/5. 1/2 times 1/4 times 2/5. That's the probability of getting a black, then a gold, then a gold. And then a gold, a black, and a gold. Probability again, 1/2, 1/2, 1/5. And then a gold, and then another gold. So the probability of getting a gold marble all 3 times is 1/2, 1/2, 2/5. Okay, so that would be, what, 1/10. This one would be 1/20. This is also 1/20, and this is 3/40. So now all I need to do is add them up. I'm just going to get a common denominator, so that's 2/40 2/40, and 4/40. 3, 2, 2, and 4, that's going to be 11. So our final answer, we'll just cram it down here, 11/40 in total. There are lots of different ways to wind up getting a gold at the end. But thanks to our probability tree, all the different probabilities are sorted out, and we can see our answer is going to be A, 11/40. So we just bubble that in, and there we go. It didn't take too long as we are familiar with the concept of a probability tree and how they branch out, as well as how to read the probabilities of certain paths and then add them up at the end. It wasn't so bad. Okay. So, up next, we're going to take a look at question number 22 on our Fermat paper. I will see you there if it is of interest to you. If not, I'll see you in the future for another math video for another math contest. But whatever happens, take care and have a wonderful day.